Welcome to my channel Divination 77. So right now I'm going to do reading for our lovely Pisceans. Keep in mind it's a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. So let's see what's going on for our lovely Pisceans. What's going on for our Pisceans? Okay, so Pisces, this could be your family situation, love connection, career situation. So it could be anything. So, but I'm strongly getting it's a family situation or some kind of love connection. It could be your a past person or someone you're married to or someone you were married to, ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, or like some kind of temporary separation. Basically love connection, situationship, or family kind of thing. So what I see for you guys is you in the past, you were in a lot of suffering and despair, and something caused in the connection, something caused a lot of suffering, despair. You felt some kind of loss. It could be loss of a family member, your loved ones or relatives, or maybe just loss of a connection, if loss of some bond. Maybe your family members passed away, or maybe you just lost a bond with your partner, and it kind of or maybe you just hit a rough patch with your partner and it caused a lot of pain, like, to be appropriate, despair. It caused a lot of despair, and you were, I don't think it's your current energy. You really were in your head. You were like stuck inside your head, like mental prison. And you were thinking, like you were in, when you were stuck inside your head, or you still could be, but I am still getting it's your past energy. You were repeating what had happened between you and your person, where things went wrong. You were replaying it over and over again in your mind. Like there was an ending, and the ending of that bond was like really abrupt. It was like out of the blue. Like you weren't expecting it to end this way, like the way it ended. It could have been, it's not like sometimes we know, okay, things will end, they are going to end. Like sometimes we have an intuition. You were unaware that, okay, oh my god, it's going to, like, it just ended. You weren't expecting. Yes, you knew, you are in a rough patch with your person, but you did not expect things to like just end so abruptly, like just and it just happened. And you had been replaying this in your mind over and over again, how it happened. It could be you, it could be your person as well. So then you went into hermit mode. You could be male or female, doesn't matter, we do not read gender in tarot. So you went into hermit mode. You were like stuck in the cycle and it was troubling you. And then when you went into your hermit, you were thinking that you really wanted to get out of this, because it was, I would say it was, since we have completed world here, that is why I am referring this to as your past energy. You have completed this journey. It was some toxic pattern which has come to an end. So this is a past energy which has come to an end, which has been completed. You're standing in your power now, or you will be standing in your power now. Basically, you gained victory. You gained victory by releasing yourself from this mental prison. You went into hermit mode, and first you were stuck thinking over and over again what happened, what went wrong, why, how like how how did we reach here. That's the line I'm getting. Either you or your person, one of you, you were like, how did we reach this point, how did it end, what happened. But then after some time you're like, okay, just f the how, fine, it happened. Then you went into the hermit mode, thinking how to get out of this, how to gain, because you did not want to be in this prison. This prison was affecting your mental health, and you gained victory over it. And now, see, pregnant lady, so she is symbolizing, again, like I said, we do not read gender in tarot. You could be male or female. So because you chose to get out of that mental prison, so there will be new beginnings. Basically, a cycle is completed and there will be new beginnings. So new beginnings could be mean there could be another person coming into your life, or maybe since you have completed some kind of spiritual journey you were on with your partner, so all the toxic or the bad things that were repeated in cycle again and again and again, this time it's done, permanently, it's completed. It is, that cycle is not going to repeat again. Let's just say, for example, if you guys had a relation of on and off, okay, sometimes good and sometimes really amazing, and then it used to dip, hot and cold kind of situation I'm getting here. So that is completely gone. That hot and cold energy, sometimes good, sometimes bad, that kind of energy, that is ending permanent. That has actually ended permanently. That has, and that is why you're gonna have new beginnings. This new beginning could be with your partner, or it could be a new person. So just let's go ahead and clarify. Let's want some more details. Okay, too many cards. We'll just we'll take all the cards. See, like I said, you were stuck in the past, so but now the Hangman is in reverse. Like I said, I was getting that was your past energy. You have completed your journey and you're not in the stuck. If it were having like this, that would have meant you are still stuck. So whenever, since it's a timeless reading, whenever this finds you, no, you are not in the stuck position anymore. You are not stuck anymore. In the past, you had sleepless nights. Like I said, it wasn't just sadness, it was literally despair. You were crying, for some of you, I'm getting, you could have been crying whole night. Some of you crying straight for 5-6 hours. That kind of pain, that kind of despair. Like I said, the new beginnings card, like I said, there was something ended and now there are new beginnings. The Chariot card, movement card. So now you are moving towards new beginnings. So there was death, like this is death and rebirth. So when something ends, something new starts, and the new cycle is always beautiful. So it was necessary for this toxic thing to come to an end for once and all, as it had been going on for a long time. So it's like, see, like the death is here, but then there is rebirth. Rebirth is actually happening. New beginnings have started happening. It's just shining. Out the abundance is like just coming out. So death happened of the toxic, all the toxic thing that was there, and now new beginnings are here for you. And the new beginnings include abundance in every area of your life. Like the sun is one of the best decks in the card. It is so beautiful. Like sun is here, it's so amazing, it's so vibrant, it's so beautiful. It's like if you are still in let's just say, like some of you who are not separated but hit the rough patch, that toxic cycle, it has finished. So it could be with the same person. You're going to experience this new beginnings, this abundance, and it is going to sound really kind of unrealistic for some people, like because even though you have moved away from the toxic pattern, you have closed the toxic cycle, even though you have moved away, but since you have been in that kind of mindset, for that kind of pain for a long time, so when this finally comes, when the abundance finally comes, we tend to doubt it. And not only doubt it, we feel like it's an illusion, because we are not used to experiencing that. So we might feel, oh okay, it's like you guys might feel, oh okay, again in the good mood, but it will go downhill again. That's what happens. No, but it is not going to happen again. This hot and cold thing is not going to happen again. That cycle is closed completely. So for those of you who are still in a relationship, that hot and cold cycle is like has completed. It's never going to happen ever again. And for those of you who were in a temporary situation, your person will come to you with a solid offer. Well, it's up to you whether you accept that offer or not. And there could be someone new also. For some of you, I'm getting who are single. So your a past person would come in your life with a very solid offer, and there will also be a new person with the same offer. Basically, past person and a new person. For those of you are single right now, you will get the same kind of offer from both people, and you could be like in a dilemma, which one should I go to? So that is up to you, whether you choose the past person or the new person. This is for the single people. And those of you who are already in a relationship, don't worry, that toxic cycle is closed for once and all. No hot and cold behavior anymore. It's just abundance, abundance, abundance. You are moving forward towards abundance. And I am getting a lot of it could be any zodiac, but I'm getting a lot of fire energy and water energy here. So you could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, or Libra. So it could be any zodiac, but these zodiacs are like standing out very strongly in the reading. So this is beautiful. New beginnings, and this is just beautiful, just abundance right there. So I'll get some messages from your person. Okay, so like I said, because you guys after some time chose, okay, no, I don't want to be here. I want to get out of this. So your person, like angels are saying, you are a champion. If you are in a relationship, your person and your past person and the new person, uh, those of who you are single, they see you as a champion. They see you as this strong, fearless warrior. Like, and it's not just the person you are in connection with, or the person coming to for single people, past and new person, and for people in relationship. It's not just them. People around you, they see you as a warrior, as a champion. Like, you guys are inspiring others with your journey, especially people who know your journey, so like who know you closely. You, the way you have transformed from what the kind of cycle you have closed, what you have come out of, and how you achieved this, you are a champion and you inspire others. So that's a beautiful read right there, beautiful message. Okay, and like I was saying, for single people, the message from your past person: I miss the time we spent together, nostalgia. So those of who you are in separation right now, who are not in a relationship, who are in separation right now, your past person is having like strong nostalgia moments. One of the reasons, they see like what you have achieved, they see what you have achieved, and they are like, wow, and they miss all the great moments. This could actually be even for those of you who are still in a relationship, they because some of you are still going through this process, almost reaching here. The ones who are not single, this goes for them as well. So you're almost reaching this. So the person is like, oh my god, she is a champion, and they are reminiscing the good times, whether it's your past person or with even the cycle. When the cycle is closed, the cycle is closed actually, the toxic cycle. So they see you as a champion, and even they are, even though they are with you, even they are having nostalgic moments, like, oh my god, this is what you made through. Oh my god, that is why you inspire them. You inspire your own persons, like, oh my god, this is what she went through and she came out of this. Oh my god, like, I'm getting this specifically for those of who you're married. This is popping up in my head. Your partner's like, oh my wife or my husband. I was like, what a warrior. Oh my god, what a warrior. Like, remembering all the things that have happened like over the years, and now you are in this energy and you're like, oh my god, my person is such a warrior. Like, I am so lucky. So that's the abundance and kind of new beginnings. This is clearly a love reading, and a really beautiful one. Finally, I really because I have been doing readings for even last week when I did reading for my Pisces. It was like they were in their mental prison and trying to come out of it. Now I'm happy. I'm so happy for my Pisceans. This is finally here. Okay, angels are telling me to take out guidance from this deck. I'll just get guidance from our. Oh, this is so beautiful. We have Lord Krishna, devotion. So he Indians watching this video, they know Lord Krishna. For those of you not Indians who are not aware, Lord Krishna is very famous one of the Hindu gods, and he's very famous for devotion and commitment in love. So you guys have been devoted, and he is saying like that your commitment has been recognized, and he's like, you guys are loved unconditionally. And some of you could have been hearing, I'm getting, not for all of you, but some of you could have been seeing peacock feathers, and hearing peacocks chirp, or must have seen a peacock. So it was a sign from the universe, from him, like, you are loved unconditionally. You have been so devoted, and you fought, like, it's not just your partner, it's the universe, it's the gods, it's the angels, all of them recognize your commitment. They see you as a champion. You are a champion because you are a champion, and you are loved unconditionally. You are loved unconditionally. It's so beautiful. And I feel again, this is not for all of you, but for some of you, you could have been on a divine counterpart or twin flame journey. This is for some of you, not all of you, but this is for some of you out there. And those of you who have completed this twin flame journey, you guys were aware that you were dealing with your divine counterpart. That is why you fought for it, and you did not let it go, because you somewhere knew intuitively that things will fall in place. So you stayed strong, and you weathered the storm. So because you knew this is your person, this is your divine counterpart, this is your twin flame, and this is like, I need to stay strong, I don't have to give up. This is not like, it's just a toxic situation, not a toxic person. So you guys knew that is why you didn't let go. This is for the ones who are in a relationship and not dealing with the toxic person. This is for some of you. This message is for some of you. And and those of you who were with a toxic person and let that toxic person go, kudos to you also. You guys are also champion, because it is not easy to let go of a toxic person. So that is why your commitment has been recognized, and you are being blessed with abundance. So this is the message I have for you guys. Very nice and beautiful reading. I'm so happy for our sweet loving Pisceans. Okay, so if any of you want a personal reading from me, my email ID would be given down below in the description box. You can DM me on my Instagram page. That detail will also be given in the description box down below. So you can follow me on my Instagram page also, because I put daily guidances over there. And like, share, subscribe to my channel, and comment if this resonated with you, and click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my readings are uploaded. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Loads of love to you.